is being recorded.
Hi Meenakshi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so my full name is Meenakshi Pandey. I'm a commerce graduate and I'm from Pune, India. And about my experience, so I have total 6 to 7 years of experience in various domains with UK, US clients. So I was working Star International, which is a US based medical company, and I was working for their media manager and content creator. So I was handling their all stuff. I was editing and question. After that, I went to NS IT company, but they have a client which is Exchange Software. So basically, I was working for them. I was the software. I was the same have a social media manager and the content creation. Their joint principal again a US based insurance company. So working there for the same. And August 2024 is my last day of my company. After that, I was working as a freelancing, as a social media manager and content creator for the brands and for the healthcare industry. And I have a good experience in content because hobby and interest is a content creator. So in my personal level, I'm creating my script. I'm a script and editing and then I'm onto the social media. That is my editing. Also, my skill in anchoring, hosting. This is my skill. So, yeah, this is my profile.
Meenakshi, you are as a freelancer.
Uh, yes, but it is only for the 1 and 2 hours. Looking out for something opportunity, role.
So how many clients do
Client is just like hour basis. There is a gym. They provide me per amount. So I make a video for them, they pay me according to that. In a real estate is working like same. They pay me the video, the posting, how much I posting for them and how much the I was working for the famous laundry itself. They give me according to they give me that amount. So it is a freelancing like that.
Okay, great, great. So Meenakshi, how do you plan a content for a brand? Do you research that? What's your
For script or content writing or
content,
content creation.
content? First, content ideation.
Okay. And
How
I
do you
first
generate
take
ideas?
pardon
Basically, how do you generate ideas?
or basis of R&D. First, I what is the product or what is the environment. It is totally according to the client. So first, I create a content calendar, which is when and where and what I can post. According to that, do R&D on that brands. I brand of watches. They want to sell this. They want to increase in social. They increase their they increase their products. According to that, I R&D the websites, information website. I take from that brand and I write the take some healthy AI tools, and also I script writing according to my if the watch have fit. So how generate a content eye catching also, and it's engagement is so I plan that content and write that script.
Meenakshi, I'm giving you to write a script. You will have 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. You have to write a very long script. So there is the script. There's an interior working in Dubai, doing job as an interior designer, and he's also doing freelancing job as an interior in Dubai. And when he's pushing buy a license company, start a business in Dubai, but
Okay.
she that how there are a lot of things to do. You can't do it right. So uh, one someday they visited client home. What client refused to work with them, and because of they don't have a
Mm-hmm.
to start work.
Business.
Okay, so he rejected them, and then she decided to get a license, and
Start.
after she got the license uh, company. So wanted to know how would you present the students? Okay, what will be the and what message will you show to the and who is the like a girl her
Mm-hmm.
in her POV.
Okay, so according to mine, according to this story, a girl which is previously she is working with freelance, but very good interior. She is a very good in his skill, but she is a
Yeah,
freelancing worker. But
yeah.
now she create a business, but
No,
she
she
is
not
her
she.
wanted to
Her,
be
her
create.
husband.
Her
She.
husband want her wife is very good in creator, very good in interior. So she should be gain some business, or she reach that level. It might be a good interior in her, so that's he pushing to her to create something. So she decided and she go to the one client, but the client refused because she don't have a license. She decide to make first that license and then. So you want me to create in a content format, or you want a script?
1 minute reel script.
Real script. Okay. So based on this story, the engaging part, the emotion is the bonding between the husband and wife, because the wife is a good designer, but she is scared and she is not doing. She is happy with whatever she is done, but the husband, he is encouraged to achieve something bigger her currently doing. So the bonding we need to show in our currently the mindset of people is going to the emotional very important. So if we put a emotional thing in our content, the engagement is more than a common content. So what we do is in the first half, suppose we create a 50-second of reel, right? So first 10 or 15 we need to represent a husband and wife bonding on that content. Means husband is a very and the character of husband is very
Uh,
emotional.
Take 10 minutes. Okay, I'm turning my mic off. Just write that script. Okay,
Okay.
then to us. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Hello. Hello, Rahul. Yeah. So I'm done with the script, and I pasted to the chat box.
Uh,
Mention the scenes, which is first half and the third. So we divide that in a 50-second reels. Half is emotion. And actually, people emotion is very important to sell any brand or do anything. So, field is very important to to divert the subject in front of people. So the content should be a very unique, eye-catching, engaging thing because they want to see her wife to achieve a trophy someday. So it's a very important to be create up the emotional thing. So that's why I'm written that according.
okay, great, Meenakshi. It's a very good script.
Yeah, thank you.
We will get Paras will revert to you. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Have a nice day.
yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay.
The recording